How's it going, everyone? Brian here. Hope everyone's doing well out there. In this video, just gonna show some footage that I shot in the water. Actually, it was a really clean day, just shooting some nice empty barrels, and I shot everything with the iPhone 11 Pro. Now, I would show the iPhone, but I'm actually using the iPhone 11 Pro to shoot this video. And of course, I use the AxisGO and then the pistol grip for the AxisGO. Now, I shot everything in 4K 60, and the only thing I did was just switch between the different lenses. So I used the 0.5 times, which is the ultra wide angle, the 1 times, which is the wide angle, and then the telephoto, which is the 2 times. And I shot most of it all in horizontal and shot a little bit in vertical. So yeah, that's about it, and enjoy the footage. So there you have it. There's the footage. Hope you enjoyed it. One thing that was really cool for me is to actually look back at that footage and see like the 0.5 times, the 2 times, the 1 times lens being used in the water. I know for myself that I don't always remember to utilize those different lenses that the iPhone provides you. So it was really cool to put those to use. Just like always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, reach out via email. Many ways to reach out to us. And make sure you like, subscribe, and have a great day. Peace.